Hey, if you're looking for a truck that'll go and do pretty much anything, this may be it right here. It's a 2020 Cascadia. It's got an APU. It's got a 2-line wet kit. It's got new brakes, sliding fifth wheel, half fenders, a great set of rubber on it, a great set of brakes, like I said, new brakes. It's got one 150-gallon fuel tank. There's that wet kit I was telling you about. There's an inverter in that box. It's got 553,000 miles on it. It's clean as a pin. Got a fridge in it. Trailer brake. There it is, trailer brake. Heated and air conditioned seats. It's DOT'd, it's detailed. It's stock number SMC8700. And it's at Select Trucks of Amarillo, which is at exit 74 on Interstate 40. And I'm your guy, Doug Phillips, world's oldest truck salesman, 806-654-7640. Call me anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'll try to answer that phone. And it's a DD15, 308 rear axle ratio, PTO friendly, DT12. 806-654-7640. Call me.